The National Prosecuting Authority has struck a deal with Kurt Matlala in order to arrest all the high-profile policemen who were involved in the tender that involved Medicare 24. But that's not the same deal with the Medicare 24 that involves Fanny Masemola. This one is a 228 million tender that was given to Kurt Matlala's company so that he can provide healthcare services to the members of the SAPS. So now they've struck a deal with him because they want to know who was involved in order for him to get that tender. But luckily, he was not given the tender because there were a lot of the irregularities through his admission. You know, when he was submitting paperwork for the tender, they found a lot of irregularities, so they couldn't award him the tender. But right now, they want the policemen to actually account for what they did, because right now, Kurt Matlala was not giving out any names. But if they struck a deal with him, maybe remove some years from his sentencing, maybe he will give them the names that they need to arrest the rest of the policemen who were involved in the 228 million tender with the SAPS.
Medicare 2020, Medicare 24, of course, for 228 million rand. So after that had transpired, we do understand that process needed to take place first before Kurt Matlala could be brought here to the Specialized Commercial Crimes Court in Pretoria this morning, where we expect this plea and sentencing agreement to be placed on record. We do not know what the contents of it is, but very, very interesting turn of events in this particular matter. Does it?
One of the things that the Americans said that made sense is that they had a slogan that stated, "We do not negotiate with terrorists." And I think this should be the case even with Kurt Matlala. But right now, the NPA is looking for these names, because I've been wondering as well that only about Kurt Matlala getting arrested, what we know that there are more high-profile politicians and also people in the police force that are involved in corruption. So maybe this is how desperate they are in, outrooting the corruption in the SAPS. Maybe they need to make the deal with the devil in Kurt Matlala to actually get the truth out of this.
Does it mean that Kurt Matlala is now going to spill the beans, if I can, relating to this tender deal that his company had secured from the South African Police Service? Now, you know, of course, that the other accused were due to appear in court on Friday, this coming Friday, which is tomorrow. So that means that Kurt Matlala, should this plea and sentencing agreement be placed on record, it means he will not be appearing with the others. But
I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see, because the trial hasn't happened. Kurt Matlala still needs to attend court so we can see the details of the deal. So yeah, man, there's a lot of confusion as